Hello everybody, this is Stephanie and I want to show you I'm calling it my turkey roaster, but it's a electric oven. It's electric turkey, it's electric, I call it electric turkey oven. Cause you know, your oven is full, right? When you're doing holiday meals, and there's nothing like just putting it on something and just getting it done. So this one happens to be, I've had this for, my goodness, probably, I don't know, years. I've had it for years. So I use this during the season, the holiday season. It comes with the pan and the top of the pan, and it also comes with this rack. As you can see, my turkey is done. There you go, and it comes with that rack. So I'm just letting my turkey sit right now and get the juices going so that I can, carve it and get ready for the holiday. But, I think that this is one of the best buys I ever had made to get myself one of these during the holiday. And I just put it up on my counter and let it go. And it cooks by itself. You don't got to baste anything. It works very well, and I wanted you guys to see my Oster turkey roaster.